The drone world has been waiting for this moment, and it is finally here. DJI has officially revealed the DJI Avata 3, the latest generation of its groundbreaking FPV drone series. Ever since the release of the original DJI Avata in 2022, drone enthusiasts have been captivated by the way DJI has merged cinematic-grade cameras with high-speed FPV performance, offering users a truly immersive flying experience. The Avata 2 took that formula to another level in 2024, but now, with the Avata 3, DJI is setting an entirely new benchmark in the FPV space. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just a passionate FPV pilot who loves adrenaline-filled flights, the Avata 3 promises to deliver more speed, more power, and more intelligence than ever before. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the Avata 3, from its official specs to its pricing details and release timeline, so you can decide if this is the FPV drone you've been waiting for. FPV drones have always been a niche within the drone community. They're fast, agile, and capable of performing acrobatic maneuvers that regular camera drones could never dream of. However, traditional FPV drones were notoriously difficult to fly, often requiring pilots to build and customize their rigs, learn advanced controls, and deal with frequent crashes. DJI changed the game with the original Avata, creating a ready-to-fly FPV system that gave users all the thrills of immersive flight while simplifying the learning curve. Now, with the Avata 3, DJI has refined this formula even further, combining professional-grade imaging with unmatched control. The Avata 3 introduces a redesigned flight system that makes it more stable in the air, even at high speeds. It also features upgraded motors that improve acceleration and agility, giving pilots the ability to execute cinematic FPV shots while maintaining safety and precision. This makes the Avata 3 equally appealing to beginners and advanced flyers, bridging the gap between freestyle FPV racing and cinematic aerial filmmaking. Let's get into the heart of what makes the DJI Avata 3 stand out. DJI has confirmed a long list of specs that bring this drone into a category of its own. At its core, the Avata 3 is powered by a 4K 120 FPS capable camera with a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, delivering superior low-light performance, vibrant colors, and dynamic range that rivals professional cinema drones. For creators, this means silky smooth slow-motion footage, crisp aerial shots, and the ability to capture breathtaking landscapes with incredible clarity. The Avata 3 also supports 10-bit D-Log M color profile, giving filmmakers the flexibility to grade their footage in post-production with maximum creative freedom. Unlike earlier FPV drones, which often sacrificed image quality for speed, the Avata 3 ensures you get the best of both worlds, immersive flight and cinematic results. Another major highlight is the enhanced battery system. DJI has equipped the Avata 3 with a new intelligent flight battery that extends flight times to nearly 23 minutes, a significant improvement over the Avata 2. This extra endurance allows pilots to focus more on flying and capturing shots rather than constantly worrying about battery swaps. Connectivity is also receiving a massive upgrade. The Avata 3 features the DJI O4 transmission system, which ensures ultra-low latency and crystal-clear video feeds directly to the DJI